Hi friends, today we are going to discuss important topic called GDS Contact and Engagement Rules 2020. Okay, okay friends. Previously, Government of India notified various contacts and engagement rules for GDS. The previous version of GDS Contact Engagement Rules was published in 2011. You see here, the rules has been amended from time to time by issue suitable amendments, and as of now, this GDS Contact and Engagement Rule 2020 superscribe previous 2011 issue and incorporate all the amendments made it till 2020, and a compilation of all such amendments and what are the variations incorporated in 2011 issues are issue get published in GDS Contact and Engagement 2020. So, as of now, till by 2022, the GDS Contact Rules latest version is 2020 version. Okay, let us see some topic wise. It is a this is 2020 GS Contact and Engagement Rules contains 42 page official 42 page PDF document, and some of the important topics we will cover here. Uh, Department of Post GDS Contact and Engagement Rules 2020. Okay, short title and commencement. These rules may be called the Department of Post Gramin Dak Seva Contact and Engagement Rules 2020. They shall come into force on and from the date of their circulation. Application days. What these are GS 2020 rules applicable to Gramin Dak Sevaks of Department of Post, Ministry of Communication, Government of India. Definitions used in these rules are engaging authority. What is meant by engaging authority? Engaging authority means an authority empowered to engage GDS on the basis of GDS Contact and Engagement Rules 2020. Assistant Superintendent of Post or Inspector Post in relation to a postal or railway mail service subdivision, the Assistant Superintendent or Subdivisional Inspector or Railway Mail Service in charge of subdivision, as the case may be. Government means the central government. Next, Gramin Dak Sevak means a branch postmaster and assistant branch postmaster, a Dak Sevak. Previously, the GDS meant by ED BPM, ED mail delivery agent, ED mail carrier, ED stamp vendor. Likewise, there were various types of classification, but everything is now come under three headings. Gramin Dak Sevak means a branch postmaster. Another category is assistant branch postmaster. Then another category is Dak Sevak. Let us see what are the difference between these three categories. What are the Gram Dak Seva other than a branch postmasters and Gram Dak Sevaks other than branch postmasters and working in branch office are designated as assistant branch postmasters. Who is by a BPM branch postmaster means, and Dak Sevak who is held responsible for an office in GDS office is called BPM. Those who assist that BPM is called ABPM. Second, a Gram Dak Seva other than branch postmaster and working in department post office and RMS offices other than offices, other offices as designated are called Dak Sevaks. Okay, now you know the difference between BPM, ABPM and Dak Sevaks. Okay, then head of circle means head of a postal circle and includes chief postmaster general. Head of a division in relation to a postal or railway mail service, the senior superintendent or superintendent of a post or railway mail service as the case may be. Head of a region in a postal circle means postmaster general. Member of the family in relation to a Gram Dak Seva includes wife, child or stepchild of such Sevak were residing with him or not, and in relation to a Sevak who is a woman, the husband residing with her and dependent on her. Any other person related whether by blood or by marriage to such Sevak or to such Sevak's wife or husband and wholly dependent on such Sevak but does not include a wife or husband legally separated from such sevak, or a child or a stepchild who is no longer in any way dependent upon such sevak, or of whose custody the sevak has been deprived by any law, only widow and dependent daughter-in-laws. Record officer in relation to railway mail service, the sub-record officer or the head record officer in charge of sub-record office or head record office. Sevak means a person working as a Gram tax Sevak. Postmaster in relation to a post office means gazetted postmaster, postmaster and higher selection and lower selection grade, normed based post office in his own office, except a postmaster in charge of A, B and C class sub post office. Then here a postmaster means who? Gazetted postmaster or presidency postmaster, then postmaster in higher A class class 1 post office, then postmaster in HSG, LSG. Those are categorized as postmaster as per the definition mentioned here, and those SPMs who are in charge of A, B and C class sub post office are not considered as postmaster for this rule. Okay. Then terms and conditions for engagement of a dak sevak. A sevak shall not be required to perform duty beyond a maximum period of 5 hours in a day. The maximum working time for a GDS, that is BPM or ABPM, or dak sevak is maximum period is 5 hours per day. The maximum period till which he can render service to the department is 65 years of age. Second. Third one, a sevak shall have to give an undertaking that he has other source of income besides the allowance paid or to be paid by the government for adequate means of livelihood for himself and his family. What it means? That he must have an adequate source of income besides the income coming from received from the post he is going to hold as a BPM or ABPM. That is, he must have an additional source of income apart from the income received from the department. Then fourth terms and condition is a sevak can be transferred from one post or unit to another post or unit in public interest, administrative or vigilance ground. That is, a sevak can be transferred from one post or unit, either a post or an office or a unit, to another post or office or a unit in public interest, administrative and vigilance ground. A sevak shall be outside the civil service of the union. What is the civil service? All the central government employees are comes under this central civil service. But a sevak shall be outside the civil service of union. Union in the sense government of India. A sevak shall not claim to be at par with central government employees. Sevak shall not be claimed at par with central government employees. Then seventh terms and condition is residence in postal village or delivery registration of post office within 1 month after selection, but before engagement shall be mandatory for a sevak. If a person gets selected as a sevak, then it is compulsory to reside in the post village or within the delivery jurisdiction of the post office when which he was posted before he get after selection, but before getting posted in that office. Failure to reside in the place of duty for GDS BPM and within the jurisdiction of post office for other categories of government tax sevaks after engagement shall be treated as violation of the condition of engagement and liable for disciplinary action under Rule 10 of Conduct and Engagement Rules, requiring removal of dismissal. Even it may leads to, if a dak sevak or a GDS BPM not staying in a delivery village or a post village, then it might attract a disciplinary action against the concerned official, and it may lead to disciplinary action under Rule 10 of Conduct and Engagement Rules, which may require removal or dismissal. Then eighth terms and condition is post office shall be located in the accommodation to be provided by GDS BPM suitable for use as post office premise. However, where accommodation is provided for post office by central, state government or local government or village panchayat, etc., the same can be placed for the post office. That is, a BPM who got selected, it is the responsibility of the official to house the post office at his own risk or at his own arrangement. If village having government buildings which already was occupied by a GDS post office, then it may continue. Or a new arrangement can be made from the government or central government or state government or local government or village panchayat if they desire to provide accommodation. Combination of duties of a several shall be permissible. Okay. Then Rule 3B of GDS, Conduct and Engagement Rule, is eligibility criteria for engagement to Gram and Dak Sevak post. What is the age limit for engaging as a GDS? There is a minimum and maximum age limit till which a person can be recruited for the post of GDS. Gram and Dak Sevak post. Okay. What is the minimum age? From the age of 18. That is, he must complete at age of 18. It is the minimum age qualification to be get selected as a GDS. Then maximum age limit is for general category, it is 40 years. For there is some permissible age relaxation for each category of people. For SC or ST, scheduled caste or scheduled tribes, the age of relaxation is for 5 years. That is, if 40 years is maximum means 45 till 45 they can be get selected. For other backward class, plus 3 years, that is 43 years. For economically weaker section, there is no relaxation in age limit. Person with a disability, there is a relaxation of 10 years. Person with disabilities, and if they belong to OBC category, then the relaxation is up to 13 years. Person with disability, and if they belong to an SC or ST category, then the relaxation is till 15 years. That is 40 plus 15, 55 years. Under no circumstance, the maximum age limit allowed for recruitment can exceed 56 years. That is, the maximum limit prescribed is 56. Okay. Okay, friends. Then here see, and note 2, they provide an important notification. All engaging authorities shall maintain the above age relaxation for person with a disability for all categories of GDS posts. This relaxation, however, is not applicable for person with benchmark disability blind. If they are blind, it cannot be considered as a disability, that is the physically handicapped person. And in place of blind, candidates with low vision have been identified as prescribed in Directorate Letter Number. This is the point I told. Relaxation in upper age limit is subjected to the condition that maximum age for of the applicant on crucial date shall not exceed 56 years. It is the point I told already. Okay, friends. We will see the education qualification in the next video.